They're A+ rated. They're financially very, very strong. You can't go wrong if you were to buy an annuity from them. Except, of course, hey, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy here to talk to you about State Farm annuities. Should you get one or should you look somewhere else? Well, guess what? There's a lot of different annuity companies out there. State Farm is a great company, though. Let me tell you. I mean, let's see. We got Future Income Plus. You got Guaranteed Income Later. So you got two different types of income later. If you were to stick 500 grand in, let's say, or 200,000 in, or whatever, they're going to give you a guaranteed amount sometime later. And then, of course, Guaranteed Income Now, they're giving you immediate annuity. If you decided you want income in 30 days, they'll give it to you. So the question is, how much will that income be? And will it be higher than all of the rest of the A-rated companies out there? Because, you know, State Farm's a great company. They've been around for a long time. They're A+ rated. They're financially very, very strong. And you can't go wrong if you were to buy an annuity from them. Except, of course, you want more income, then maybe you should look somewhere else. I'd be happy to show you everything else if you want to compare with the annuities that you're looking at right now with State Farm. If you just want to compare, I'm happy to do that for you. I'm not going to try to push you. I'm not going to try to get you to buy something from me. I just want to show you what's available. In fact, I'm going to show you right now. So let's dive into this. I'm going to share my screen, and you'll notice, and I just put 65 years old, and I put my wife 65 years old, and I want to turn on joint income. Okay, so and let's say I want income right now in like next month. Okay, I'm putting $400,000 in. It's going to give me $26,400 for the rest of my life. From Nationwide. Nationwide's A+ rated. They've been around for a long time too. They're just as good or better than State Farm. Okay? So nothing against State Farm. They're a good company. It's just if you're looking for income and you want as much as possible for all that money you've been saving and investing and growing, don't cut yourself short by, allowing yourself to buy an annuity from a company that you've heard of and that you've been around for your whole life, and you just feel like because that's the case, that you should buy an annuity from them. Or maybe all of your other insurance policies are with them. Nothing wrong with that at all. But if you're looking for guaranteed income and you want the most you can possibly get, you really should do yourself a favor, and you really owe it to yourself to look around. You can look to a bunch of different advisors. They might show you one annuity, and another advisor might show you his two favorite annuities. I don't really care. I'm going to show you everything. And as you can see from my screen, look, as I scroll down, you can see there's everything here. I don't really care what you buy. You can see the income numbers here on the right. That might be of interest to you. But if you had an advisor telling you, hey, you should buy Athene's great. Well, they are great. They're A-rated. But $23,000 of income compared to $26,400, well, that's a big difference. That's a huge difference. And we're talking $30,000 less of income over a 10-year span. So is that worth it to you? Would you want to see everything? I should hope so. But let's say you want to wait for 5 years. You're like, you know what? I don't need income. And, right now I'm going to wait 5 years, okay? For whatever reason. Then we'll just defer for 5 years, and you can see just looking at my screen, well, now it shows you the best ones for that. And for this one, it's American Equity. They've been around for a while. They're A- rated. They're still very, very strong. They've got, I want to say 60 or 70 billion in assets. And they're a very, very strong company. And they're giving you $41,000 a year if you elect to wait 5 years. Okay? Nationwide, they'll give you $40,000. Athene, $38,000. This little American General Life, that's AIG. They'll give you $39,000. Okay? If you want A+ and you got to have A+, well, we could just go in here and say, all right, well, we'll just only look at A+. Okay? Let's just compare it straight across the board. Well, if we do that, look at all these A+ companies. What if you want long-term care? A lot of these will give you long-term care. In fact, Midland, A+ rated, 120 years old, they'll give you $37,600 a year, plus they'll double it if you need long-term care. And not only that, they allow you to have long-term care in your home. You don't have to go to a facility like most of these other companies will make you go to a facility to double your income. With Midland, you don't. Pretty cool, huh? You've got Nationwide, you got North American, you got Protective Life Insurance Company, you've got Alliance, you've got all these different companies. You can choose whatever you want. You don't have to do State Farm. You don't have to do Prudential or New York Life. All really good companies. But guess what? if you're looking for maximum ROI, maximum income, but you still want it from an A-rated company, you have options and you should look at those options. And I'm happy to show those options to you. So book a call. It's either in the comments section or the description or both. You'll go right to my calendar. We'll get on a call and I'll show you everything that's available. And by the way, I love guaranteed income. I love as much as I possibly can. If I'm going to put money into something, I want as high of a return as I can possibly get. Okay? And you should too. All right. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.